Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, we are from tutorial group. We are from 12 Sains 2. My name is Muhammad Imam Maliki.
My name is Intan.
My name is Nuril.
Today, we are going to show you how to save money. Let's start. Okay, first, to do how save the money. You will need 4 steps. Number 1, bring bottle water. Number 2, piggy bank. Number 3, PILLION. And number 4, lunch box.
We can use bottles to fill water so that we can save money, because if we bring our own drinking water, we can save money that should be used to buy drinking water. And drinks that we carry are healthier because they do not contain yeast and preservatives. Funny indeed, but for the cat, that one will be hidden. Why? Because the existence of a piggy bank, we can always remember to save aside the money to save. Its function is to save the remaining allowance so that it can be used when needed.
PILLION or go there with friend. With that, we can save gas money by changing to riding a bicycle. Week 1, 3 days bring my bicycle. 2 days my friend's bicycle. Next week, 2 days bring my bicycle. 3 days bring my friend's bicycle. Its function is to overcome the gas. There are many choices in making simple and healthy provisions, which are boiled potatoes plus boiled eggs. Potatoes as a source of natural carbohydrates and eggs as a source of natural protein, or can also be boiled corn plus boiled eggs, and many more to choose from. And this time, we want to share a simple way to make boiled potato stock with boiled eggs. Let's see the video making.
First, prepare all materials and tools. Tools, tongs, pan, and knife. Materials, water, egg, and potatoes.
Second, clean potatoes and eggs with water.
Third, heat the water in the pan. Wait until it boils.
After boiling, put the potatoes first, then cover the pan.
Check the potatoes when it is half cooked or 8 minutes. Put the egg. The egg are put last so as not to overcook, because boiling potatoes requires a fairly long time.
After 7 minutes, turn off the stove, then remove the potatoes and eggs using tongs.
Then, wait until the cold. After the cold, peel the potato skin and bake.
Cut potatoes, dice size or according to taste.
Put the potatoes and egg in the lunch box. Stack the potatoes and eggs to look attractive. Done.
Now that you know the steps, they are very easy, and I hope you can try at home. And let us know how it's going by comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe.
See you in our next video. Good luck. Tutorial group.
To show, you will need
eggs.
Mati lagi.
Then pen.
The pen.